Okay, so for my second lab, I made the ciabatta bread. And so before I sliced it open, this is what it would have looked like. And then when I cut it open, you can see there is a lot of airy holes, and this is from the carbon dioxide that came when the yeast fermented. The crust is super thin and crunchy, and the inside is definitely more dense, but because of the holes, when you eat it, it should be pretty like airy and chewy. This was probably way better than the breadsticks for me to make. Honestly, the breadsticks, I had some flaws, but now that I know how to use the stand mixer, this went pretty smoothly. I will say though, I had to wash my hands a lot because of how wet this dough is, and that also is why there's like holes in the dough, because it was so stretchy that there's just gonna be air bubbles. So I would say just making sure that I had more like soap on hand to continue to wash my hands always. And also this bread took a pretty long time to make because I just started the night before. So I'm glad I like spaced out the time that I needed to make this bread. Other than that, everything went really well. I was able to blend all my flour together really easily, and I'm really glad that I started it the night before and let it sit for at least 15 hours for my sponge. That way I had a good base to continue to make this bread on.